Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the CR Lawrence number 0911 BCKA. This is a key-to-like sliding door lock in a black chrome finish. Black chrome to me generally has like a reflective surface to it. Let's remove it from the packaging and see what the story is. The KA in the part number means key to like, so regardless of how many of these that you order, they will always be operating from the same key. You'll get 2 keys with every lock. Okay, so it's key retaining, as we can tell. The key will only come out when it is locked. When you unlock it, you cannot remove the key till you push and turn once it's locked again. Okay, so this will have the lock body itself, this is meant to go into the bottom. You would install this into, if you have an aluminum channel on the bottom of your sliding doors that the glass sits in, and then that channel will ride over, a rolling mechanism. You'd be able to prep the face of that material for your, not only your bolt, but the 2 screws that are going to go through the backside of whatever you are installing it into, to hold that so that it's basically surface mounted. Okay, this would be a variant on a showcase lock, really is what it would be. Just would be probably a bit more elegant, I would think, rather than a contraption that you are hooking onto the glass. The reception of the dentist's office back in the old days, showcase locks is where that's going to come into play. This is also available in a satin chrome finish as well. I believe it's satin chrome. Let's take a look, and then we'll get some dimensions on this lock itself, and I'm looking at it on another monitor here. Okay, so black chrome and satin chrome, keyed differently and key to like. So it'll be KA when you want them key to like. If you strip that off of the part number, they will all come keyed differently. You might want that. You might want them all key to like, so be mindful to order it the way that you like. Overall width of the body itself, about 1.25 inches. Overall height of the body, we can gauge that here at about 13/16. Overall projection of the lock body, about 1.1 inches or so. With the plunger turned in and the key removed, we're going to be completely about 1.5 inches or so standing proud. Okay, now that bolt, let's take some dimensions of that. The overall projection when it is in the locked position, 0.094, 0.094, I'm sorry, 0.94. It's less than 1/10 of an inch. 0.94, so just shy of an inch. The diameter of the bolt, 0.275, 0.275. Now, what's the projection when it is in the unlocked position? 0.487. 0.487, so it projects basically 1/2 inch. Okay. We'll include a couple of very small screws for threading into the back of the lock body. The length on those screws, be nice to know that as well. 0.79 inch. They're awfully small. I wouldn't be surprised if these were 632. The diameter of the threads is 0.117. 0.117. Okay. There is going to be a small little paper template that's included, and that you can review down below this video in the link that will show you an image that you'll be able to review the dimensional properties of where that template lays out where you need to drill, shows you a larger image of what it typically looks like in a cross-section installation as well. Okay. If you have any questions on the C.R. Lawrence 0911 BC and a KA, sliding door lock, black chrome, key to like, or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Lawrence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog, and the several and many full product catalogs that they have, because C.R. Lawrence gets into a lot of a diverse set of categories when it comes to architectural hardware. And such as shower door enclosures, the hardware, everything that goes along with it, architectural hardware. They get into aluminum storefront. They get into architectural metals and a variety of other things. If they printed out their catalog in a single volume, it would be several feet thick, not an exaggeration. Any questions on the C.R. Lawrence 0911 BCKA or any other C.R. Lawrence product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.